Hey guys, it's your girl Naya back with another video. So as you can see in the title, I'm doing an unboxing today and it's some products. Yes guys, I bought some products and I was waiting because I didn't want to do the product review and don't do an unboxing, so that's why I haven't used them as yet. And let's just get into all of this video stuff.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
So guys, Memorial Day, TGIN had a sale, right? And I decided I don't want to just hop right into it and purchase the jumbo size products or the regular size. And you know the good thing, TGIN gave you a sample size box. So let's just get into what it's all about. So of course the box gives you their social media handles, which is on Facebook and Instagram. On Facebook it's Thank God I'm Natural, and Instagram it's TGI Natural. So let's just start opening, which I've opened it up. Guys, when you open the box, your room smells amazing. Like everything just starts to smell amazing. This is just the bill that they sent in it. I didn't get rid of that. So this is what it looks like. Of course I will show you'll see a short clip after this. Ooh, they're all falling out. A short clip of what came in. I'll just post it somewhere between here or there, right? So let's just get into what they have in store for us. So first product that I'm going to touch, Miracle. So the sample products, well, most of them are from the Miracle X collection that I'm ready to try. Definitely ready to try. So Miracle Repair X Deep Hydrating Hair Mask with Black Honey plus Coconut Oil. A deep moisturizing conditioner that helps reduce breakage, prevents split ends, and repairs hair damage. Let's just show you. That's a lot of. There we go. All right, guys. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This light is just killing everything. All right, guys. So there we go. And let's just pop this bad boy open and see what it smells like. Look, guys, this. So that's what it looks like. And I'm about to just. It smells good. Smells. I'm trying to see if I recognize any scent, but it smells like, guys, this box, from you open it, it smells amazing. So this is the texture. So yes, guys. So it's a nice creamy kind of texture, conditioner texture basically, which I like. I like when I condition, even though the other day I've been trying the liquid, the liquid conditioner, but I prefer creams. But this is a hair mask, by the way, not a conditioner, but I like creams. The next product that we'll be looking at is the Twist and Define cream, which I've seen a lot of persons reviewing, so I definitely want to go ahead and try it. There we go. So with coconut oil plus vitamin E for smooth shiny twist and twist outs and long lasting curl definition, like braid outs. I like braid outs. I think I've been stretching out my braid out kind of feeling, which I like. I haven't gone back to twist outs as yet because I'm still stuck on braid outs. Guys, talk about creamy texture. Like, it's all in the cream kind of texture. And just in case you're all wondering if I'm really dipping my hands in everything and then dip it again in something else, no, I have something that I'm wiping my fingers off into. Oh, and I don't know why, but after I wipe it off, my fingers feel extremely soft. So back to the Miracle Repair X Curl Food Daily Moisturizer. we have plus black honey, with black honey plus coconut oil. All of these have some nice coconut oil in it. This has something amazing in it. So just so you guys know, putting it there, right? So they come in these nice small size jar, which I'm loving. Even though my hair is long, I'm hoping that it works in it. So let's just get in, guys. Any more creamy textures? Can I get any more creamy textures? Smells. Oh wait, guys, I didn't give you the smell, but this smells amazing. This smells amazing. Let me show you the color. Like, that's the color. Yes, that's the color, guys. That's the actual color. I'm loving it. I haven't troubled this one to see the texture. Different finger for this one because I really want to know this one actually. Ooh, so it's just like I don't know if you guys know the control, like edge controls. That's what it has, that kind of, you have to basically rub on the ends, or edge control. So I like that. It's not as watery. Well, I wouldn't call it watery, but it's not that kind of texture where you can do this, but it's more of a circular motion movement thing. So I like that, and I like this. Well, all of their products smell good, and of course I can't tell you guys how these smell because I won't open them until my video. So my first one is the Buttercream Daily Moisturizer Super Moisturizing Hair Cream, and it has in shea butter plus vitamin E, no sulfates, parabens, lanolin, and petroleum. So guys, none of those in it. No mineral oil, no artificial colors or animal testing. Praise the Lord, sis. But by the feel of this, you know it's some creamy, thick texture. It's really thick, guys, really thick. I love it, love it. Daily Moisturizer Buttercream with shea. I'm trying to see if these are the same thing that they just sent. Okay, so this is basically, okay, so it's great for 2-strand twist and twist outs. So guys, this is basically the same thing but a sample size. I'm not so sure how you get a sample size because this one is 0.5 and this one is 1.75. I don't know how you get a sample size, but this is a sample size. And they also have Honey Miracle Hair Mask, intense moisturizing deep conditioner, heal and hydrate dry, damaged, and color treated hair with raw honey plus olive oil, and like said before, no sulfates, parabens, lanolin, petroleum, which are not good for our hair. So there you go. And guys, look at that. You can, by the movement of it, you know that the texture is, it's a thick kind of conditioner texture, but not watery. Woo-hoo. It's a plus. Okay, so we have green tea super moist leave-in conditioner, great for detangling curls, kinks, and waves. Yes guys, it protects and restores dry, damaged, and color treated hair with green tea and argan oil. Guys, if this isn't good anymore, like where else, guys, where else can we get these stuff? All right, so I did this, I did that. All right, so now I'm basically wrapping up. So now I got this now. Of course, with the sample pack, with the sample box, I bought like 2 additional conditioners because I know my hair is long and I like conditioners. So I don't think one of these could actually do my hair. So I'm going to just tell you guys what's going on in these bottles. So just want to ensure that I don't have any of the same thing going on. All right, so 2 jars. So these are what I bought. 2 of the Miracle Repair X Strengthening Conditioner with black honey plus coconut oil. Guys, I don't think 2 ounces could actually work with my hair, but we're going to see when I'm doing my wash day. So there we go. So let me just do the smelling part. Smells good, smells good, smells good. And like you can see, it's a normal conditioner texture. I might can use 2 ounces. Might. And lastly, the last thing before I go. I should have started with these because these are minor things. Oh my god, guys. So the last thing on the product list is the moisture rich sulfate free shampoo with almond oil. Ooh, sorry guys. Almond oil and coconut oil. What I'm getting from their products is that they like to use coconut oil, and I like coconut. I like the smell of coconuts. I like products with the scent of coconut. I just like scented coconuts. I just like everything with coconut. Yes guys, so, and by the looks of it guys, you can tell that it's thick in a way, but not really thick. It's shampoo thick basically. So guys, let me just tell you in total what I paid for it. And remember, this was a sale guys, this was Memorial Day sale, and so the total inclusive of shipping was $25.90. The box itself was $15, and then like I said, I bought 2 additional conditioners. So yes guys, my hair needs more than 1 conditioner. Can't do it. I don't think my hair can actually do 2 ounce conditioner, but like I said, we'll see when you all see this product review by me. So please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're notified each time I post a new video. So that's all I have for now guys. See you next time.